With spring finally here, I thought this week we could talk about spring cleaning. So welcome to this week's Ask Charlie. Now, I am a huge fan of the Bower Collective, and this isn't sponsored by them. This video isn't sponsored by them. I do have a discount code for you, which is Ask Charlie, and it is an affiliate link. However, I love the products and I'm totally and utterly converted. So I thought I would talk you through the products that I'm using and I'm loving. I am trying to make positive changes in every aspect of our household with the environment in the forefront of my mind, because if we all make small changes, it makes a huge difference, which is why I've swapped out regular cleaning products for the Bower Collective. Now, I have been looking for years to find something that works really well and is a really good alternative and a sensible price point, and I believe I have found it, which is why I'm really excited to share this with you. I have been using these products now for well over 6 months, and I wanted to properly try and test everything before creating this video, because I believe that for me to be good at what I do, I have to put things through its paces. There's no point me getting it for like a week and telling you it's wonderful. I want to really try and really test everything properly. So let's start with, I think, the laundry. And here, I actually just cleaned the bottle because it had a little bit of spillage running down the sides. I filled this up yesterday. We have been away and I did 5 loads of washing yesterday. I'm using their lavender laundry liquid and the smell is incredible. I absolutely love it. Now, I don't bother with a fabric softener. I gave up with a fabric softener years ago. Honestly, I was about to bring it over for you to sniff. I'm such a wally. The smell is amazing and it is so much better for the environment than the alternatives. Now, it comes in a big box. I bought this in a big box. I tried it using one of these pouches first, and then because I love it so much, I've gone for this box. But I will use this I will decant from here into here, and then this can be tucked away and I can just neatly refill from there into here, and then I just keep this by the washing machine. And so this I use for everyday washing, for whites, for colours, for our bed sheets, for our towels. I use this for everything and it is great. I do use the Clothes Doctor products for hand washing, for like refreshing and things like that. The Clothes Doctor has a great range, but this is really good value for money and washes brilliantly. And nobody has noticed. I must have made the change about 4 months ago. No one in the family has commented, has said anything. So it's passed their test because they didn't even notice I'd made the switch. So there we are. Then next, the bathroom cleaner. It's actually almost empty. So why don't we, I've got my top up, why don't we refill it together quickly now? I just use a funnel. These bottles in the way. The smell, as the dogs have all woken up. The smell of this, it's their pink salt bathroom cleaner. It's really fresh. It's really lovely, but without overpowering. Like, you know, sometimes when you spray other like mainstream brands products, it can get you in the back of the throat because they're so chemically, like, you can feel, you can taste the chemicals as you spray. Not a bit with these, which is really good, but they just smell lovely and fresh. So that one is topped up. So that I just use for cleaning sinks, for cleaning the bath, for cleaning around the loo, and it's got a great trigger spray. These, as you just saw, are refillable and reusable, and then you can put the sticker on. They come with stickers of what the product is, so you know what's in there. the glass and mirror cleaner. We're actually going to clean the splash back there together in a minute because that needs doing. This is excellent. All-purpose cleaner, so I use this to do surfaces sort of in the kitchen, woodwork, things like that. Just a really great all-purpose cleaner. Liquid washing up liquid. Now, this is great for everyday washing up. For mega grease, so think, you know, fried food when Si cooks a steak, it needs some serious attention. So I do still use Fairy Liquid for mega washing up, you know, really greasy pans after maybe a Sunday roast or after my husband's been cooking. This is great for just everyday stuff, but it's not a hardcore grease buster, I would say. And then the hand wash, you can see that one needs topping up. I love it. It smells really great. I think this is a grapefruit one. Then pine and cedarwood loo cleaner, and reusable bottle, reusable pouch. And we'll talk about the pouches in a minute. In fact, I'm not going to fill that one up because you don't need to see me fill that, but it is excellent. And here I've got the limescale remover. This is brilliant for taps, for shining things up. It's really good at tackling limescale. It's excellent. I'm really impressed with that. I wasn't so sure I would be, but it is really good. We have quite hard water here, so our limescale is particularly bad, and this is excellent. It's become a firm favourite. And then let's just talk about these. I have shared these numerous times before, but they honestly are the best thing in the world, and you can get them from the Bauer Collective as well. I do have a discount code with Steve, and I will leave all of my discount codes linked down below. These are amazing. This is the first one that I ever started using. I've been using this one since before Christmas. That is a fresh one. That is my dirty old one. But I don't need to replace it because there's nothing wrong with it. It has lasted such a long time. Now, you know those sponges with the green bits that we're all probably familiar with? Those I probably got through one a month, and they are so bad for the environment. So bad for the environment. These are incredible. They also do a copper coil one. I'm going to order those because if a scrambled egg, need I say much more? And my husband loves scrambled egg, and he's not very good at cleaning his pan, and so he really puts me through my paces trying to sort that out. So these honestly are amazing. And then they also do cloths as well, and this is one of their white ones, washes really well, and they are super. So we're going to use this to clean back there. But before we do that, this is something else that makes me very excited. And it just makes me excited for spring cleaning when you're using really good products that smell great, that you know aren't really toxic and doing terrible things to our environment. Look at this. These are ready for me to post back tomorrow. So you can see that this is a totally genuine video. These are all their products that I have been using. Well, in fact, there's more. I've sent some back over the last however many months. And they come with a prepaid envelope, and you can get, I mean, I've got 4 here to post back. You can get numerous in here. You literally empty your pouches, pop them in, seal them up, and post them off. Voila. I mean, how clever is that? So they really are being so environmentally conscious, which is why I think I'm really passionate about sharing it with you. And I also want to talk to you quickly about my cleaning schedule. This is my cleaning schedule and guide, and I will leave it linked down below. It's a digital download that you can get. It's probably one of my best-selling products from my website, and you can just use it as a framework. And I stick to it. Like, I don't even need to look at it anymore. I know that on a Monday I do this, and on a Tuesday I do that. And if you just do little and often, then it's not overwhelming, and you don't have to spend your whole weekend cleaning, because that is miserable. It's no fun. But if you just do a little bit every so often, you keep on top of things. I also talk through things that should be done weekly, fortnightly, 6 monthly and annually as well in here. So it's a really, really great guide. Now also when I'm spring cleaning, you'll probably notice I've rolled up my sleeves and I've got my I Mean Business apron on, and this is my spring I Mean Business apron on. And I know it might sound silly, but for me it's a little bit like going to work. And I just put my apron on and I know that I mean business, and it just spurs me on to get cleaning, get sorting, doing whatever. And it's just like my uniform. Also, it doesn't matter if you splash things on you, because you've got an apron to protect you. You can just whip your apron off and go about your day. So let's find the glass and mirror cleaner here. I'm going to take you over and let's clean it together. I don't know if you can see the dirt because it doesn't really show up brilliantly, but let's spritz and clean. Now, I should have also told you about the laundry detergent. You don't need to wash at a really high heat. It actually recommends that you use a lower heat, and that is also better for the environment too. So making all these little changes does make a really big difference. But this is coming up well. I've got some marks down there that need a little bit more elbow grease. I've got a few stubborn bits that aren't coming off, so I'm going in with a new one. I'm going to try to see whether this, yes, it was lifting them off beautifully. Sometimes you just need a little bit of abrasion, and this isn't going to scratch, but it's taking off those tougher marks. So there we are, nice and clean and streak free too. The reason why I swapped over to the Bauer Collective is they are eco-friendly, they are sustainable, they are non-toxic, and so by making these changes in the products that I'm using in our household, we'll be making a huge difference to the environment, and it just makes me feel better. I love cleaning, I love spring cleaning, and just using these products, I know it sounds silly, but do make me a lot happier knowing that I'm washing our clothes in chemical-free products is really important. Using their loo cleaner and not putting bleach down the loo and down the sink the whole time is really, really important. And I just love these products, and I've really enjoyed trying them all out, putting them through their paces, and now sharing them all with you. So I will leave my discount code linked here on the screen and down below for you. And I honestly cannot tell you how incredible these seep sponges are. So even if you just change those out for the green scouring sponge ones that we all know and have used, that will make a huge difference, and they are a fantastic product. So thank you so much for tuning in to this week's Ask Charlie, and I will see you on Friday with a new vlog.